Hello everybody, this video is strictly for parents whose children are taking Zoom classes and taking remote testings and Zoom testings. I wanted to tell you that these generations that are currently learning remotely, they are subject to extreme cheating. Extreme cheating meaning that they could basically not learn and score great numbers on their exams because they are cheating by asking all the questions from smart speakers or their smartphones. So my recommendation to you is to take away their smartphones, their smart speakers, their tablets, or anything that will give them a quick answer with audio, because the teacher is actually looking at them while they're taking the test. The camera is pointing at them, but they could mute the voice, the microphone, and ask the question from smart devices. For example, Amazon's Alexa and or Google's smart speaker or Apple's smart speaker, and so on. And you can put these apps in your phones and be equally equipped with cheating material, and which is bad for their future, because they might get a good score today, but in the future there will be doctors who don't know how to perform surgeries, attorneys who don't know the law, or you name it. The worst of all, a pilot who doesn't know how to fly because they cheated in their classes. Anyways, so let's see. I'm going to show you how easy it is so that you could watch out that your child don't do this. Okay. So with Amazon speaker, see how easy it is. Okay. Alexa, what is 1/4 plus 3?
0.25 plus 3 is 3.25.
Alexa, what is 1/4 in decimal?
1/4 as a decimal is 0.25.
Alexa, what is the square root of 9?
The square root of 9 is 3.
Alexa, how many 20s are in 100?
Sorry, I'm not sure what you mean.
Alexa, how many 20s are in 100?
100 divided by 20 equals 5.
Alexa, what is 3% of 200?
3% of 200 is 6.
Alexa, who wrote the Declaration of Independence?
Thomas Jefferson wrote the Declaration of Independence in 1776.
Alexa, which city is the capital of Mexico?
The capital of Mexico is Mexico City.
Alexa, where is Europe?
Europe is in the Eastern Hemisphere, the Northern Hemisphere, and the Western Hemisphere. It is surrounded by the Arctic Ocean and the Atlantic Ocean.
Alexa, what's the meaning of amphibian?
As a noun, amphibian is usually defined as any cold-blooded vertebrate of the class Amphibia, comprising frogs and toads, newts and salamanders, and caecilians, the larvae being typically aquatic, breathing by gills, and the adults being typically semi-terrestrial, breathing by lungs and through the moist, glandular skin. As an adjective, amphibian is usually defined as belonging or pertaining to the class comprising the amphibians. For more, ask me to give you more definitions for amphibian.
Alexa, what is 400 divided by 3?
400 divided by 3 is 133.3333.
Okay, so now you guys saw how easy it is for a child to cheat in history lessons, in history tests, cheat in their math test, cheat in their physics, biology, you name it. Any question you have, all you have to do ask the smart speaker, and it will give you the answer. So if you want to make sure your child really learns and he or she doesn't cheat, please make sure at the place where they study or they take their Zoom classes, there aren't accessibility to Zoom, to smart speakers such as Google Speaker, Apple Speaker, Alexa Speaker, or Amazon Speaker, and make sure they don't have access to their smart watches or smart phones. See, even a smart watch, you can ask a question and will tell you the answer. I mean, the same questions that I asked from the speaker, from Alexa, I can also ask from the phone. So let's see. Let me ask, what is the square root of 500?
The square root of 500 is approximately 22.3607.
What is 5% of 350?
That would be 17.5.
So that's the reason why you need to pay attention so that they don't cheat and get fake good grades while they're actually not learning anything. All right? Thank you for watching.